Hey guys, it's just little old me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And today we're testing an 8-track conversion that I've done for, it's a shop in Phoenix. I don't have his name offhand. I apologize for that. This is obviously a Delco T-400. Not sure what make and model of car it came out of, but you've seen a million of these in my videos, so we know it's a Delco. I know it didn't go in an Oldsmobile because it doesn't have Oldsmobile wiring. But at any rate, it's been converted for use with a repro radio, reproduction radio. So let's go ahead and pop in a tape and make sure everything's working before we send her back.
When you near, I whisper in your ear. My heart goes pitter-patter 'cause I'm mad at the for a loop. Get out and circulate.
Yeah, there's not much to test on a converted 8-track.
I'm gonna bop you on the head and love you all the while. Tell me you wonder.
Let's take a quick look at our output level meters.
Any fish in the deep. She's gonna break your heart. I'm not going to listen
pretty
to
convincing there.
that you start.
Okay, and that's it. There's not much to test on a converted 8-track because the controls no longer work. All your control of volume, tone, and balance is done at the radio now. That's to get the cleanest possible signal from the 8-track to the radio without all this extra processing that I removed. Of course, the program change button does still work. So that's it. There's just not much to test on this type of unit. She's ready to go back. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. You can reach me for paying, repair, or conversion jobs only, not to look for parts, belts, or free repair advice, or how to hook up that yard sale fine that you don't want to put any money into. You don't call me for those reasons, guys. You call me because you have a unit you want to send in for my top-notch professional service. So, that being stated, my number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.